Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving from Great Valley towards Cold Spring. Entering Cold Spring, and we are driving on the Flint River to Cascade Road. The road on the right will take you to Gorneys Mount, where you'll find the Gorneys Mount Primary School, to Chapper Gate, same as Shepherd's Hall, to Thompson Hill, Success, Chingwell, Old Pen, and the other communities. On the right is Refuge Temple Pentecostal Church. To the right is Cold Spring Early Childhood Development Center. Entering Bray Pen and the Highfield. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.